Alright, so let's say that you have your LED strips and you go to change the color and it's all mismatched. For example, blue is green, green is blue, and red is red. But every other color it's mismatched, and all of your DIYs are broken if you have any. So this is actually a releasable fix, and it's nothing to do with the module, and you only need to have a remote. You only need to use your remote for this. So I actually have another unit here, and this one is fully working. So if you have multiple units, I recommend blocking the sensor so that you don't mess up with this one. So, and that's what I'm doing. So first thing that you want to do is that you're going to turn it off and then put on fade 7, and then you're going to test it, see if it's right or wrong. If not, you're going to do it again. So I'm going to do it, turn it off, fade 7, and you saw a little like blink. That means that you did it right. So I'm going to test it, and blue is good, but green is red, so that means that we're going to have to do it again. So fade 7 and test it again. It's not working, so turn off, fade 7. It's still not working, so turn off, fade 7, and it's still not working, so you have to do this multiple times, fade 7, and now it's working completely. So now all my lights will be synchronized by the use of this remote. And that's basically all.